Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Pomahawk. Today I'll be talking about lying lateral raises. The benefit of doing this is because you divide your shoulder into three components: the front, the side, and the posterior. For this exercise, we get to isolate the lateral shoulder deltoid, which then develops a nice shape to your arm. So here are a few tips on how to do the lateral raise on a bench properly. The first thing we have to focus on is making sure that the body's in a neutral position so that we can isolate all the form and pressure directly on the shoulder and not on the neck or the back. So the first part we have to talk about is how to find pelvic neutral. So we want to tip the hips forward, tip the hips back, find a pelvic neutral, engage the stomach. The second part, we want to make sure that the shoulders are in a back position, not rolled forward. The last part is making sure that the neck is also in a neutral position by creating a bit of an arch in her neck. So in this position, we want to lie on your side, Amanda, for me. Now, she's going to use her hand to support her neck, making sure that it's in a neutral position, slight extension, pelvic neutral. A couple of mistakes that people do is when they're doing their lateral raise, instead of being perfectly lateral, what they do is they bring their body forward and have this position. How to make sure you're doing the exercise properly is by extending the thumb. By extending the thumb and keeping it directly forward, you're making sure that you're hitting just the lateral deltoid and not the front. If your thumb comes forward, you're hitting the front deltoid and the lateral deltoid. So I'm going to demonstrate the exercise for you here. There's a little weight, making sure that the thumb is straight ahead, head back, nice neutral, and just raising the arm up to this position, holding 1, 2. Proper exercise, not a proper exercise. In this exercise here, she's hitting the front deltoid and not isolating the lateral deltoid. Thumb straight ahead, pulling back up, just the lateral deltoid. It's a great exercise to develop a nice shape for her arm, giving her appearance of nice wide shoulders and a thin waist.